Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain non-homogeneous linear equations with constant coefficients of partial differential equation. So here I am taking one example of non-homogeneous linear equation, that is a into dou square z by dou x square plus b into dou square z by dou x dou y plus c into dou square z by dou y square plus d into dou z by dou x plus e into dou z by dou y equal to f of x comma y. So in this equation here, first three terms have the same degree, that is 2, and the last two terms have the degree of 1. So therefore this is called non-homogeneous differential equation. So in homogeneous differential equation, the polynomial function which is contains all the degrees are same, but the non-homogeneous differential equation contains all the degrees are not equal. So therefore here the finding the rules for complementary function, finding the complementary function rules. So here rule 1. So first one, if d minus m d dash minus a into z equal to 0, then the complementary function equal to e power ax into phi 1 of y minus y plus mx. So if the function, that is d minus md dash minus a into z equal to 0, then complementary function is e power ax into phi 1 of y plus mx. Next here second rule. So if d minus md dash minus a whole square into z equal to 0, then complementary function, that is equal to e power ax into phi 1 of y plus mx plus x into e power ax into phi 2 of y plus mx. So these two rules are used to find the complementary functions of non-homogeneous linear equation. So here by using these two rules we have to solve the problem. So I am taking first problem, solve the partial differential equations, solve the non-homogeneous partial differential equation. So that is finding the complementary function. So first problem, here d minus d dash into d plus d dash minus 3 into z equal to 0. So first I will write given differential equation. So that is given partial differential equation. So d minus d dash into d plus d dash minus 3 into z equal to 0. So here first bracket, so that is first one d minus d dash. So this is in the form of first rule 1. So that is d minus m d dash minus a into z equal to 0. So in this what is m value? So in this here minus m equal to minus 1. So that is m equal to 1 and a equal to 0. So therefore complementary function. So complementary function equal to e power ax into phi 1 of y plus mx. So substituting here a equal to 0. So e power 0x into phi 1 of y plus x. So this is the complementary function of first bracket. Next coming to the second bracket. So that is d plus d dash minus 3 into z equal to 0. So this is in the form of d minus m d dash minus a. So here what is m value? So minus m equal to 1 and minus a equal to minus 3. So m equal to minus 1 and a equal to 3. So therefore complementary function of second bracket second value is e power mx. So therefore e power ax. So e power 3x into y plus mx, phi 1 of y plus mx. So that is y minus x. So finally our complementary function is combining the first bracket value plus second bracket value. So e power 0x, phi 1 into y plus x. Next one e power 3x into, so here second bracket value, here I am taking this phi 2. So e power 3x into phi 2 of y minus x. So therefore complementary function here phi 1 y plus x plus e power 3x into phi 2 of y minus x. So this is the complementary function of given problem. Next here I am taking one more problem, that is d plus d dash minus 1 into d plus 2d dash minus 2 into z equal to 0. So this is also here in the form of d minus md dash minus a into z equal to 0. So here I am writing complementary function of first bracket. So complementary function equal to d plus d dash minus 1. So in this what is m value? So here m equal to minus 1 and a equal to 1. Next bracket d plus 2d dash minus 2. So in this what is m value? Minus 2 and a equal to 2. So the formula for complementary function, that is e power ax into phi 1 of y plus mx. So by using this formula here I am writing complementary function of given problem. So first one e power x into phi 1 of y minus x plus here e power 2x into phi 2 of y minus 2x. So this is the complementary function. So here I am taking one more problem, d square plus d dash plus d dash minus 1 into z equal to 0. So d square plus here given problem, that is d square plus d dash plus d dash minus 1 into z equal to 0. So here I am writing d square minus 1 plus d dash plus d dash into z equal to 0. So here d square minus 1 can be written as d plus 1 into d minus 1 plus, in these two terms d dash is common. So d plus 1 into z equal to 0. So finally here d plus 1 into d dash plus d minus 1 into z equal to 0. So here, so therefore complementary function is here in first term, here what is m value? So here m equal to 0 and a equal to minus 1. So in this m equal to minus 1, a equal to plus 1. So the complementary function is finally e power minus x into phi 1 of y plus 0x plus e power x into phi 2 of y minus x. So final complementary function e power minus x into phi 1 of y plus e power x into phi 2 of y minus x. So this is the complementary function of given problem. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.